From Monday, 3rd July 2023, supermarket operators with a company-level annual turnover of more than $100 million will be required to charge at least 5 cents per disposable carrier bag at their SFA-licensed supermarket outlets. Following consultations with supermarket operators, we understand that the majority will be charging 5 cents per bag, and this would moderate potential cost impact on consumers. We can avoid the charge by bringing our own reusable bags. The mandatory charge will cover around 400 or about 2/3 of all supermarket outlets. These include large supermarket chains such as FairPrice, Cold Storage, Giant, and Sheng Siong. These supermarkets will be easily identifiable through collaterals displayed at their premises. The mandatory charge will not apply at other retail outlets, such as convenience stores, as suggested by Mr. Ng. Nevertheless, I note that many retailers already charge for bags voluntarily, including large convenience store chains such as 7-Eleven and Cheers. We will monitor the effectiveness of the charge and assess the need to expand the mandatory coverage in the future. The charge will apply to all disposable carrier bags, not just plastic bags, as all bags require resources and generate carbon emissions during their production and disposal. Other similar schemes in Hong Kong, Taiwan, and the UK have led to a reduction of plastic bags used there by 60 to 90%. We have heard concerns about supermarket operators profiting from the charge. I'm happy to share that all covered supermarket operators have indicated that they intend to apply the charge proceeds towards environmental and social causes. For transparency and accountability, supermarket operators will be required to publish information on the number of bags issued, the amount of proceeds collected, and how the proceeds are used. Second, a beverage container return scheme, which Mr. Gan mentioned. The scheme is part of an EPR approach to manage packaging waste. Beverage producers will be responsible for collecting and recycling the products they put to market. Consumers will pay a small deposit when buying a pre-packaged beverage and receive a full refund when the empty beverage container is returned for recycling at a conveniently located return point. The scheme will cultivate recycling habits and aggregate clean and high-quality recyclables, which can be made into new products. The scheme framework has been developed following extensive stakeholder consultations since 2020. Around 80% of 1,000 households surveyed in 2021 generally supported implementing the scheme. The scheme will cover plastic bottles and metal cans of volumes ranging from 150 to 3,000 milliliters for all types of pre-packaged beverages.